The world's second largest economy by 2038 in purchasing power parity terms, with a GDP forecast of $34.2 trillion. This is according to the 2025 issue of the EY Economy Report. NDTV's Sakshi Bajaj joins us now with more details.
Big boost for India's economy at a critical time, really, with, of course, this projection coming in that India may be the world's second largest economy by 2038. This as per our EY Economy Watch report. Remember, this is the research team that has given this report. Now, the report is really saying that, look, India could be the world's second largest economy in purchasing power parity terms. For our viewers to understand, when we say that, this projection for 2038 is in purchasing power parity terms, which essentially means a measure of standard of living across countries, across currencies. So for our viewers to understand what really is $1 equivalent to and what really is the purchasing power of 1 rupee in comparison, that really is essentially what the report is measured upon. Now, the report is also saying that, look, India can, with effective countermeasures, handle the higher US tariff impact very, very well. They're saying that, look, among the world's 5 largest economies, India's economy at the moment is the most dynamic. So these really are the broad highlights coming in from the report. But what are really economists making of this report? While they're saying it's a big boost at a time when India is hit with the 50% tariff rate from the US, it is a critical time for this report to be released and an optimistic outlook at that. However, they're saying that, look, we have to keep in mind that this report is long-term in nature. The projections are for 2038, remember, and they're saying that, look, the reforms really must be implemented. So the trajectory really and the spotlight really is on the implementation of reforms and really how swiftly can India implement the reforms that are really, it's the need of the hour, economists believe, to unleash reforms and multiple ones at that.
Meanwhile, the 50%